Good morning students. In the previous videos of Expert Detective, we have discussed the summary and first part of this chapter. Now Ramesh told him that he brings two meal on Sunday. First for Mr. Nath, and second is for the visitor who is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. Now, well done, Nishad. I told him now that we have made some progress with our inquiries. Now, I told him now that they had made some inquiries and we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. If we will do some other inquiry, after that we can catch the crook. How you do go on Maya 7 side? Side means breathe deeply. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. Now 7 didn't think that Mr. Nath is a crook because he looks an ordinary person. Criminals can look quite ordinary smarty. I retorted. Speak in anger. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? Now Maya said that have you seen the picture of the criminal who break the house Hyderabadi? He looked like any man on the street. He looked an ordinary person. Nisad looked doubtful, suspicious. The monsoon broke the next day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lights and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all fury. With a heavy flooding the street with a heavy downfall. But no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. Now the monsoon broke the next day. It was rainy season. Their schools will be reopened on that day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, anger. Flooded the street with a heavy downpour rain. There was heavy rain, so streets were flooded with the water and they are unable to go to school. Their school have to reopen after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads. They could not go. There was an unexpected holiday. I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. Now, he thought that he would utilize this time for detecting detectives. Now, questions. First part questions. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath? Why? What did Nishad give? Nishad thought that Mr. Nath was starving, so gave him a bar of chocolate. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sunday? The stranger thing. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sunday? The strange thing about Mr. Nath's Sunday is that he has a regular visitor on that day. Why did Nishant and Maya get a holiday? Nishant and Maya got an unexpected holiday from school. It rained so heavily that all the streets were flooded, so the school declared a holiday. So students, I think you are able to understand this